Preparation of omelets. It's extremely important that omelet pans be maintained in good condition. Mix only one order of eggs at a time and keep the mixing cup clean. Use the omelet pan for omelets only. Do not wash an omelet pan or an egg pan in the dishwasher. Simply wipe out the pan with a clean dry towel or a clean napkin. Preparation of a plain omelet. To prepare a plain omelet, place 1 1/2 ounces of shortening into an omelet pan. Break 2 eggs and place them into an omelet mixer cup. Place the cup on the mixer and thoroughly blend the eggs. While the eggs are blending, allow the shortening to heat up. The temperature of the shortening is extremely important. When the shortening has reached the proper temperature, small hairline ripples can be seen in the shortening mixture. When learning how to cook omelets, it may help to add a very small drop of egg to the pan. When it begins to move about, the oil has reached the desired temperature. When the oil has reached this temperature, pour the egg mixture into the pan while moving it in a circular motion. The heat of the shortening is critical. If it is not hot enough, the eggs will not cook as quickly. If it is too hot, the eggs will scorch. Continue to move the pan in a circular motion, allowing the outside of the eggs to cook and fluff up. The circular movement beats air into the egg mixture. Outside have become firmly cooked. Flip the omelet and cook on the other side. After the omelet is flipped the first time, moving the pan in a circular motion, but not as often as before it was flipped. Too much movement at this time will make the omelet smaller. Flip the omelet once more and then slide it onto the low heat side of a clean grill. Fold it in half and allow it to cook for approximately 15 seconds. Turn the omelet over and allow it to cook for another 15 seconds. The omelet should then be transferred to a 12-inch serving platter. Omelets are served with grits, buttered toast, and jelly. The most common faults in the preparation of an omelet are overcooking and undercooking. Omelets should be fluffy in appearance and not scorched or burned. Remember, the order must be served immediately. Preparation of a cheese omelet. A cheese omelet is prepared the same as a plain omelet up to the time it is placed on the warm side of the flat grill. Once it is on the grill, 2 slices of cheese should be placed in a diamond fashion in a straight row on the omelet. Using the spatula, fold the omelet in half, covering the cheese slices. The omelet should remain in this position for 15 seconds. Then turn it with the spatula and leave it on the flat grill for another 15 seconds. This will cook the middle of the omelet and will allow the cheese to melt. Serve a cheese omelet with 2 slices of buttered toast, cut diagonally, 1 order of grits, and 1 package of jelly on a 12-inch platter. It must be served immediately. Preparation of a ham omelet. Place 1 1/2 ounces of shortening into an omelet pan and place it on the burner to heat. Break 2 eggs into the mixer cup and place the cup on the blender. While the eggs are blending and the shortening is heating, dice 1/2 slice of ham and warm on the low heat side of the flat grill. In some restaurants, ham is delivered pre-diced. In these restaurants, 2 ounces of diced pieces should be warmed while the eggs for the omelet are blending in the mixer. When the oil has reached the desired temperature, moving in the pan, add the omelet mixture to the pan while moving the pan in a circular motion. After the bottom of the mixture has sealed, to keep the ham from sticking, a sealed bottom is absolutely necessary. Add the diced ham to the omelet mixture and continue to move in a circular motion. Flip the ham and egg mixture and cook on the other side until the bottom is firm. Slide the omelet onto a cleaned portion of the low heat side of the flat grill and cook until it is totally done on the bottom side, approximately 30 seconds. After it is done on the bottom side, turn with the spatula and leave it on the flat grill for another 30 seconds. Using the spatula, fold the omelet in half, Move it to a 12-inch serving platter and serve with toast, grits, and jelly. Preparation of a ham and cheese omelet. The procedure for a ham and cheese omelet is the same as a ham omelet, with one addition. After the omelet is rolled out onto the clean grill and cooked for 30 seconds on one side and turned, the cheese is added, and then the omelet is folded in half. Allow it to cook for another 30 seconds. It is taken off the grill, placed on a 12-inch platter with grits, toast, and one package of jelly. Preparation of an onion omelet. To prepare an omelet with onions, diced onions are needed. If there are no diced onions available, then dice 3 or 4 onion rings while the omelet is blending. Add the diced onions to the shortening while it is heating in the omelet pan. Once the onions have begun to cook, prepare the omelet using the same procedures as a plain omelet, except it is left on the grill for 30 seconds, turned, and cooked for 30 more seconds. Onion omelets are served on a 12-inch platter with buttered toast and jelly. The most common faults in preparing omelets are too much shortening, which makes the omelet greasy, allowing the shortening to get too hot, which makes the omelet appear greasy and will also change the color to brown, not keeping the pan moving after adding the ham in a ham omelet, which may cause the omelet to stick, leaving the omelet on the flat grill too long, causing it to overcook, and placing cold ham in a ham omelet, which causes the omelet to be raw in the center. The grill operator must remember to scrape the grill area thoroughly to remove any excess grease or food residue off the surface where the omelet will be placed.